So, we're here with FITZKE! Yo, FITZKE, give me 5. That was
so weak.
You deal in guts, really, don't you?
I do, yeah.
You're a gut queen.
Yeah, upper gut, but I sometimes foray into lower. Just, you know, if I feel like it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Once
kind of
the,
a battleground.
the food has become poo, you're not interested no more with that.
Well, I mean, I'm interested, but more like personally rather than academically.
Stories at parties!
Yeah.
Exactly. So we did an event last year where we looked at guts live on stage. And you got 8 meters of guts out, like real guts.
With my bare hands.
With bare hands, they stank at times.
And I was getting a lot of like juice flicked all over my face.
Oh god, it was all revolting, wasn't it?
I mean, I think you did a poo live on stage,
yeah,
right?
you poo live on stage.
Unforgettable.
Not in the way you think.
What was it?
We did a gastroscopy. Which Heather's talked through a brilliant video for. So what is an MRI scanner?
This is a big human MRI scanner.
Yeah.
And it's like a huge...
You can see it's a human one because you can see my smelly socks poking out the bottom of it.
Tiny toes at the end. So yeah, it's kind of like a huge donut, but it's actually an electromagnet. And what this allows us to do is see inside the human body. Yeah, you were quite comfortable lying.
I was comfortable. The one interesting thing is
in your little white dress.
My little white dress, backless dress.
Yeah.
One interesting thing is I got a ring that keeps my wedding ring on, and I thought it was made out of silver, and it clearly isn't really made out of silver because it was going.
Oh, wow.
And I'm trying.
It's amazing how many engagement rings that happens to.
Oh,
People
really?
are like, it's definitely gold, and they get in the scanner and it's not gold.
Oh, this is a seriously powerful bit of magic. So, so there have been some instances of chairs kind of going flying across the room. And
yeah. Oh my god. Google MRI mistakes, and you will see some really scary things. And once you're in there, we close the door and we get images like this. And this, you can see, is like a slice all the way through your middle, and we can see your guts. But I'm not interested in this because nothing's moving.
Ain't moving.
Then it starts to move.
So this is patching together several pictures over a period of time.
Yeah, so it's like taking lots and lots of photos and putting them all together so you get what looks a bit like a video. And this is sped up, but your guts are moving pretty much all of the time.
Yeah.
And when you start eating, that movement goes up quite a lot more. And if we zoom in here, you can see this kind of bit of small intestine. So it's all got the liquid on the inside, which is bright, and then the kind of wall, which is dark. Yeah.
So what we're seeing is peristalsis.
This is peristalsis. So you can see that kind of like pushing motion, where the liquid and the kind of fluids and all the mushed up food is getting pushed along.
It's like being sort of squeezed like a toothpaste.
Yeah, or like a bit of sausage meat, and that happens all the way through the kind of 6 meters of your small intestine to get it all through. Yeah. And while it's happening, it's all the fat and all the sugars and all the things that you need are being absorbed. And
enzymes going in as well.
So yeah, there's enzymes, there's bacteria, there's lots of stuff going on in the small intestine.
All cooking away there.
And then it leaves all the kind of waste to go through into your colon, which is beyond the realms of my research.
But occasionally you can be drawn with a martini in your hand.
It's a really good story.
Tell me all about my guts. Well, that's brilliant, and it was brilliant that Alex could take us along there. Thank you so much to University College Hospital, and thank you very much to Heather. That was absolutely brilliant. Thank you, Rico.
Well, thank you for being such a great volunteer. Sorry about
this one was less unpleasant than the gastroscopy. But do take a look around other videos on the channel, and please subscribe if you can. Thank you very much. Bye!